Hi, I'm Kevin Meehan. At the Meehan Law Firm, our practice is focused mainly in the area of nursing home abuse and neglect. I've chosen this as an area of my practice that is very important to me on a personal level. I can't imagine a more difficult, more heartbreaking situation than to have a family member who is supposed to be getting care and comfort in a nursing home, but is instead being abused and neglected. If you can believe it, this wasn't always the case in terms of the ability to bring an action. It wasn't until sometime in the mid 80s, mid to late 80s, that Congress passed a law that laid out a set of requirements that every nursing home facility who's collecting federal funds has got to abide by. And these requirements go through a long list, whether it's how to deal with someone who might be a fall risk, how to deal with someone that might have a high risk for developing pressure sores and ulcers, what to do about people's nutrition requirements and their medical requirements. Any violation on that list can give rise to what we call a cause of action. You would know that as a lawsuit. Federal law is not the only law in place. Many states, New Jersey is one, they've passed a Bill of Rights that every resident in a nursing facility has a right to count on. The nursing facility has got to respect these rights and provide for these rights. And they too deal with a person's diet, their nutrition, the right to have unlimited visits from family, the rights to have unlimited contact with family, the right to decide in your own medical choices. What I want you to do, and what I tell clients all the time, is if you have a loved one who is in a nursing facility, pay attention. Pay attention to their weight, pay attention to their skin, pay attention to their mood. If you see a decrease or a change in what you would consider the norm, then it doesn't mean you'd necessarily 100% have a lawsuit. It does mean that there might be a clue that there's neglect or, God forbid, abuse going on. And if that's the case, call us. We will come and meet with you, or we'll come and meet with the resident who's in the nursing facility. We'll look at the case. And if we think it's a case that you can go forward with, then we will take it on subject to our no-fee promise. And what that means is that you pay nothing, not a dime, unless we receive money on your behalf. In other words, if you lose, we lose. And if we win, that means you will have won. Call us today.